On November 8, 2023, an Arkansas state trooper was on a routine patrol when he saw a motorcycle lane splitting. Lane splitting may be legal in California, but not in Arkansas. Also not legal in Arkansas, going double the speed limit. The trooper quickly flips on his lights and sirens, attempting to pull over the suspect. The situation quickly evolves into a pursuit, one where officers utilize a tactic never seen before on this channel. This second officer is traveling northbound on I-430, while the pursuing officer is traveling eastbound on I-40. This second officer is likely rushing through traffic in hopes to continue the chase if the motorcyclist outpaces the pursuing officer. Otherwise, if the suspect heads south, the officer...
And this is where the pursuit takes a dangerous turn. The second officer is positioned on a completely different stretch of highway, and if the rider chooses the wrong direction, he could be heading straight toward a waiting cruiser. At speeds approaching 142 miles per hour, there's almost no room for reaction time. So the big question is, does the rider realize what's waiting ahead?
According to the speed tracker on the officer's cruiser, the pursuit reaches speeds of 142 miles per hour. One small misstep by this motorcyclist at these high speeds, and he's done for.
Blue motorcycle, rider's wearing a tan shirt, dark green pants, barrel boots, camo jacket, no shoes, fine. Where's your way on? Let me help you, I'll take that.
37 is going on 430 right now. Help me out.
I'll try to break your neck, get that there. He's able to stay with it. Now we are close. We're flat, yeah, he's about 130. Traffic, whatever, he's going to use another traffic. Airport 10-7. Okay, listen, if he gets to that crash, should get that traffic back up, carry this or there, change the walk kill me.
third officer joins the pursuit and jumps onto 40 East, just behind the initial cruiser. The second cruiser is still traveling northbound on I-430, and it looks like he won't be able to catch up in time to continue the chase on I-40. However, the suspect is coming up to this fork in the highway. He can either continue east on I-40, or he could decide to take an exit to travel southbound on I-430 and unknowingly travel towards the second pursuing officer. The suspect did take the I-430 south exit and is now heading directly towards the second officer. Thinking fast, the officer drives his cruiser over the median in an attempt to make a blockade.
That is an absolutely wild move. Instead of simply chasing the motorcycle, the officer cuts across the median and positions his cruiser ahead of the pursuit. It's a risky tactic, but the goal is clear. Force the rider to slow down before this high-speed chase turns into a deadly crash. And judging by what happens next, the plan works.
He wrecked out. Hey, get on the ground! On the ground, now! On the ground! Look for me again, mother. Get your own back there.
Hey, can I got...
Hey, shut the f*** up!
Hey, can I take this helmet off?
Hey, shut up! Hey, I don't give a fuck.
Okay,
We're cutting it.
You got these clips on the front, yeah.
I don't give a shit. I'm cutting your helmet off too.
It's a little pull tab.
I don't
That
care.
red tab.
I don't care. It's getting cut off.
Okay.
Did I get those earbuds off the ground? He's going back to Palm County. Oh, yeah. Turn this way. Stop facing this way. Hey, face the car. Let the ride remain silent. You understand your rights? Yes, sir. Bike stolen? No, sir.
I just found it on Saturday. I have the bill of sale on this phone.
slide in.
That. Can I pull these pants
Get
up
in.
real quick? Okay.
I don't have much to say to y'all, but I apologize. That was stupid. I shouldn't have.
You're right.
I shouldn't have put y'all through that.
Gun. Ronald, take a picture of where this gun is. Let me get my camera.
Yes, sir.
How do you run off the road?
I blocked this lane and the shoulder. That's the only reason the damn pursuit stopped.
He could either stop or run off the road.